Kumusta mga kababayan? Isang mapagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat. Halika at makipagkwentuhan habang sabay-sabay tayong manood ng bagong kwentong ating masasaksihan. Pero bago yan, pakiclick naman ang bell to subscribe. Maraming salamat po!
มาแล้วครับโอ้โหโดนแล้วโดนเลยครับปัดขวาโอ้ครับเรียบร้อยครับจบเลยครับ
Ending that combination with the left hook right up the top from Hurling. And he's down as well, and it doesn't look like Jack.
Isang datang Pinoy prospect ang kasalukuyang AVF at WBC Silver Bantamweight Champion na nagngangalang Hernan Gomez ang may potensyal na maging world champion sa hinaharap at posibleng makalaban nito ang tinaguriang The Monster ng Japan na si Naoya Inoue. Si Hernan Gomez ay mayroong record sa kasalukuyan na 12 panalo, 1 talo at siyam dito ay tinalo niya via knockouts. Samantala, ang batang prospect na ito ay maliksi at nabigat din ang kamao nito. Sa katunayan, 7 sunod-sunod na knockouts ang naipanalo ng ating kababayan at kamakailan lang, 6 na beses na lumaban si Hernan Gomez sa labas ng bansa at ang 4 na nakalaban nito ay mga veterano na sa boxing. Isa na nga dyan itong January 25, 2023 na ginanap sa bansang Thailand kung saan nakalaban ni Hernan Gomez ang Thai fighter na si Tanachi Kamuong. Sa round 2 ay nakipagsabayan ang Thai boxer sa ating pambato. Ngunit hindi kinaya nitong lakas ng Pinoy at bumagsak ang Thai fighter. Sa pagtayo nito ay pinaulan na ng kaliwat kanan ni Gomez ang Thai fighter at nagresulta ng muling pagbagsak nito kaya tinigil na ng referee ang laban. Panalo si Gomez via second round technical knockout. Isang buwan lang ang nakalipas, February 22, 2023, ay balik Thailand si Hernan Gomez para harapin ang veteranong Thai fighter na si Wicha Pula Ikhaw na may record na 64 wins at 28 knockouts. 19 na Pinoy na ang tinalo nito at ito na ang pagkakataon upang makaganti ang ating pambato.
ดูชังโง่เลยครับที่พิสิทธิ์บางพระจันทร์เลยครับเกิดที่นั่นโอ้โหเหลือตัวหนักๆครับมาแล้วครับผ่านที่พันของเฮอร์นันโกเมสนะครับก่อนที่บรรดามวยสร้างของประเทศ
Sa round 2 ay nakatikim ang Thai fighter na malakas na right jab sa katawan.
มาแล้วครับโอ้โหโดนมาแล้วครับโอ้โหโดนลำตัวครับร่วงเลยครับปิกนี่หมัดขวาเต็มๆครับอาจารย์วรวุฒิเดือนขาวนับเลยครับโอ้โหดูครับทำหน้าตาเย้เก๋ไปต่อครับไปต่อโอ้โหพร้อมหรือเป
Sa
ล่าครับ
pagtayo ng Thai fighter ay pinuntira naman ni Gomez ang ulo nito kaya't muli itong napaluhod.
ดูครับหมัดขวาแน่นๆมาแล้วครับปัดชุดครับโอ้โหคราวนี้โดนหน้าเต็มๆครับยังสู้อยู่ครับอยู่ในช่วง10 วินาทีสุดไม่รีบครับเฮอร์นันโกเมสครับ
Sa round 3 ay muling pinatikim ni Gomez ng kaliwat kanang kombinasyon ng Thai boxer.
โอ้แต่ว่าโดนซ้ายขวาเอาหมัด1 2 3 4มาเป็นชุดนะครับโอ้โหยังกระหาฝนมีท้าเรียกปิกนี่ครับบอกว่าต่อยเข้ามาตอนนี้ครับขอคืนบ้างครับไม่ใช่บอยสเกาต์แต่ก็โอ้โหโดนทุกซ้ายแต่ใครดีใครอยู่ครับใครอื่นกว่าใครทนกว่าเอาโอ้โหโดนครับตัดเต็มๆครับแหมร่วงไม่ร่วงครับโดนหมัดขวาเลยครับโอ้ต้องทิ้งตัวร่วงไม่ร่วงครับโดนหมัดขวาเลยครับโอ้ต้องทิ้งตัวครับโดนเยอะจริงๆครับชุดนี้อาจารย์วรวุฒิต้องนับอีกครั้งหนึ่งครับอาจารย์วรวุฒิยังให้โอกาสครับโอ้โหบวกหมัดครับ 1-2 ทางมาถึงยกที่
Sa pagsisimula ng round 4 ay muling pinaulan na ni Gomez ng mga kombinasyon ang Thai fighter kaya't bumagsak ulit ito sa ika-4 na pagkakataon.
โอ้เลยครับหมัดขวา
Kaya sumenyas na si Rep na tapos na ang laban.
ครับเรียบร้อยครับจบเลยครับ
Panalo ang ating kababayan via 4th round technical knockout at isang buwan lang din ang lumipas, March 30, 2023 ay balik Thailand si Hernan Gomez na kung saan isang veterano ulit na Thai fighter ang kanyang makakasagupan na si Pisano Kim Sunto at may record itong 47 wins at 16 knockouts at dating naging WBA World Challenger versus Kazuto Ioka. Ang Thai fighter na ito ay may 15 na Pinoy nang tinalo nito at dito hindi umubra ang Thai fighter sa ating kababayan.
Whereas Herlin, opponent, definitely does look very strong for the 53.5 kg. Good right hand there from.
Sa round 2 ay nakalasap ng bagsik ng kamao ni Gomez ang Thai boxer.
Hand of his, just like that. Oh, and that was.
At sa pagtayo nito ay tumama naman ang mabigat na right uppercut ni Gomez.
Oh, he is. Herlin coming in again, shots to the body from Herlin and uppercut to the head. Big right up. Sanu is down again for a second time.
Sa muling pagtayo nito ay muling binakbakan ni Gomez ang Thai boxer para matapos na sana ang laban, subalit save by the bell ang nangyari.
And he's throwing everything he can at Fisanu. And then
Sa round 3 ay tumama ang kanang kamao ni Gomez dahilan ng paggewang nito.
whoa, great right hand there and that.
Sa pagkakataong ito, nakahanap ng tiyempo si Gomez ng isang matinding left hook dahilan ng hindi na pagtayo ng Thai fighter.
From Herlin, Fisanu down again and that's gonna be it.
Panalo ang ating kababayan by a third round technical knockout. Matapos ang 2 buwan, May 25, 2023 ay muling bumalik sa Thailand ang ating pambato na si Herlan Gomez, kung saan sinagupan niya dito ang isa na naman na Thai boxer na si Jakpan Sangtong.
Okay, both these two having a fight in the phone booth around, rallying back with his own 1-2 and going to the body and to the head, pouring on the pressure early on in round 2. Very well placed right hand to the body there from Japan, and again he goes. Japan's guard lowers to protect his body from the body shots. Good body shot there from Herlin. Right hand connect.
Sa round 2, dahil matibay din ang mukha ng kalaban, ay pinuntiryan ni Gomez ang katawan nito at pinakawalan ng kaliwat kanang jab sa katawan ang Thai fighter. Dahilan ng pamimilipit sa sakit na tumama sa Thai boxer at di na nagawang tumayo pa.
Ending that combination with the left hook, right uppercut from Herlin. Right uppercut from Herlin. And he's down, Japan is down. It was the left uppercut to the body. Beforehand he landed the right uppercut to the body as well, and it doesn't look like Japan's gonna.
Nanalo si Gomez by a second round knockout. Makalipas ang 3 buwan, August 26, 2023, ay dumayo si Herlan Gomez sa Dubai kung saan dito ay hinarap niya ang Indian boxer na si Bikash Dahiya. Sa round 1, ay tinapos kaagad ni Gomez ang laban na makipagsabayan ng Indian boxer kay Gomez. Tinamaan nito ng matinding liver shot sa tagiliran, dahilan ng pagayaw nito sa laban. Panalo si Herlan Gomez by a first round technical knockout. Matapos ang 1 buwan, September 28, 2023, ay balik sa Thailand si Herlan Gomez para paglabanan ang WBC Asian Silver Bantamweight title, kung saan lalabanan niya dito ang veterano at world title challenger na si Komgrich Nantapech. 13 na Pinoy boxer na din ang nakasagupan ng Thai boxer na ito. Siyam dito ang kanyang tinalo. Ang ilan sa mga ito ang kanyang nakalaban sina Albert Pagara, Froilan Saludar, Don Nietes at Carl James Martin. Samantala, si Komgrich Nantapech ay may record na 32 wins, 8 losses at 25 knockouts, habang si Herlan Gomez ay may record na 10 wins, 1 loss at 7 knockouts. Samantala, sa panimula ng laban ay parang madali lang kay Gomez ang kalaban nitong veteranong Thai fighter, gamit ang lakas at bilis para dominahin ang laban.
Right hand there from Herlin. From what I remember from Herlin, it was making me remember right hand connects for Herlin as he goes low and then high. Twice with the body shot. Second one looked like that really affected Concrete. And Herlin trying his own shots. It looks like Herlin's just beating him to the punch. Uppercut right hand from Herlin. Jab down the middle from Herlin too. One, two, and then uppercut there from Herlin. Overhand right there from Herlin, and that took Concrete off balance.
Sa round 1, dito tinamaan ng left uppercut ang Thai boxer dahilan ng pagbagsak nito.
Right hand and left hook there from Herlin, and right there, that was the first knockdown. Concrete is on the canvas, no surprise. We've got
Nagawa pang makatayo ng Thai fighter, ngunit muling tinamaan ito ng counter right uppercut at dito hindi na siya nakatayo at itinigil na ni ref ang laban.
Right uppercut there, and for a second time, and that's it being waited. There we go, right uppercut there to end it. Herlin Gomez is the new WBC Asia.
Panalo ang ating kababayan via first round knockout at tagumpay na nakuha ng ating kababayan ang WBC Asian Silver Bantamweight Belt. Samantala, ito lang May 11, 2024 ay muling lumaban si Herlan Gomez sa bansang Malaysia, kung saan hinarap at sinagupa niya dito ang isa na namang veteranong Thai boxer at kasalukuyang WBA Asia's champion na si Sukpasrid Pontitak na may record na 29 wins at 20 knockouts. 7 Pinoy na din ang tinalo ng Thai boxer na ito. Sa umpisa ng laban, ay hindi na nirespeto ng ating kababayan ang veteranong Thai champion at agad sinugod nito ang Thai fighter.
Sudah tertutup sama sekali. Maksudnya kalau hook yang dilakukan tidak akan susulannya. Bermain secara terbuka, memberikan kepada Herlin untuk melancarkan serangan yang tepat ke sasaran. Bagi kami sekali, serangan dilakukan, hook tidak berjaya kali. Jab demi jab dilakukan. Uppercut dilakukan dan giliran bagi masih lagi mampu. Satu hook yang tidak kena, nasib baik bagi Sukpasrid. Satu hook yang sempat dilakukan lagi serang menyerang di antaranya. Satu hook yang berkali aris yang dilakukan oleh Herlin berjaya dipisahkan. Dan rata-rata petinju dari Filipina ini tidak mengizinkan.
Sa round 3 ay dito na binugbog at nagpaulan ng kaliwat kanang kombinasyon ng ating kababayan.
Herlin menemui dari belakang dan sekarang peluang bagi Herlin untuk menjatuhkan ataupun untuk mendapatkan mata sini. Satu temukan susulan yang begitu baik. Hook demi hook yang dilakukan oleh Herlin sekarang ini. Banyak menggunakan hook.
At dito, binilangan na ng referee ang Thai fighter.
Dan nampaknya dia membuat saya Herlin nampak yakin dan dibuktikan oleh pengadil dan diberikan oleh Suhaimi.
Sa pagpapatuloy ng laban, dito tinamaan at binigyan ng ating pambato ng matinding left hook ang Thai fighter.
Jadi hal yang pertama yang diperlukan dan ini adalah Herlin teknik kedua Bin, lihat ya.
Dahil sa lakas at matinding tama, ay hindi na nakatayo pa ang Thai fighter. Panalo si Herlan Gomez via third round knockout. Anong masasabi mo sa naging laban ng ating batang-batang pambato, mga kababayan? Maaari ka magbigay ng komento at pag-usapan natin yan. Huwag din kalimutang i-like and share din ang ating channel at mag-subscribe ka na rin, mga kabayan. Shoutout po muli sa ating mga All.New subscribers, maging sa mga followers na rin po natin. Maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik. Hanggang sa muli po. Maraming salamat. God bless!